This year we will be doing a dance called Podaraki, and I kind of modified it a little bit to make it easier for our kids. So they're just gonna be going back and forth. There's 2 sections to it. There's a noted change in the music that you'll hear, but the first section is step, hop, step, stomp, stomp, step, hop, step, stomp, stomp. And this is the second section. It goes back, together, step, stomp, stomp. 1, 2, 3, together, stomp, stomp. And then you go back to that step, step, stomp, stomp. Step, hop, step, stomp, stomp. Step, together, step, stomp, stomp. Together, step, stomp, stomp. All right, I'll show you the music. Step, stomp, stomp, step, step, stomp, stomp. Step, together, step, stomp, stomp. Step, hop, step, stomp, stomp. Step, hop, step, stomp, stomp. Step, together, step, stomp, stomp. Step, together, step, stomp, stomp. And that's it. Just keep going. And they don't have to move, they just stay in a circle. That's it. Okay.